How to fix Outlook rules are not supported for this account. 1. Contact your administrator. 2. Enable the rules that are not working. Path, file info rules and alert. 3. Change the rule name. 4. Make sure Outlook is up to date. 5. Rename the Outlook.srs file, Outlook.srs, at /users \% username %, @data /roaming Microsoft /Outlook. 6. Use cached exchange mode. Path, I'll account settings 7. Disable stop processing more rules. Path, home rules manage rules and alerts change rule locate disable stop processing more rules. 8. Uncheck on this computer only option. 9. Reset Outlook rules. To do so, run /program whitespace files /Microsoft whitespace office /root /office 16 /outlook.exe /clean rules command as admin.